Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome to the video. So in this video I'm going to be doing a challenge where I try and make some money online within 24 hours here in the UK. Let's get into it and see how I get on. So in this video I'm not going to be doing any match betting because obviously you need money up front for that. I've seen a lot of these videos where people just say sell old stuff online, but I want this to be a video where purely you've got nothing up front, you've got no funds to start with, just to see what is possible out there to make money online very quickly and easily with no upfront investment, just a bit of your time to see what's possible to be done in 24 hours. Now, I've previously done a challenge video where I've been on Fiverr doing a similar thing. Check that out. I'll put that up here. In today's video, let's get into it and see how I get on. So after a quick Google search, looking for ideas how you can quickly make a bit of money online, I came across a survey site called Prime Opinion. Never heard of it before, so I thought let's sign up to it, let's give it a try and see how we get on with this one. So it's very quick and easy to sign up to. In terms of if you're looking for your payouts, what you'll need is a PayPal account. That's the best way. There are other ways you can get paid out and get rewards elsewhere, but if you actually just want cash, you need a PayPal account for this one. So after the first half an hour to an hour or so on it, I realized it wasn't going to be a get rich quick scheme. It certainly did take a bit of time. Ultimately, the first payout level in the UK is 625 points, which gets you a payout of £5. Now, in terms of the surveys, there are a wide range of surveys in terms of, so basically what happens is they reward you points for each survey done. Typically, obviously, the longer surveys, the more points you get. Shorter surveys, the less points you get. Also, what's quite good is there is a review system on them, so you can kind of see the good ones from the bad ones. Obviously, you want to avoid the one on 1 or 2 star reviews. Now, one thing looking back at this, I probably wouldn't have done if I do this again, is doing these surveys on my laptop. I think it would have been a lot easier to have it on my phone and I could just be sat there watching Netflix or whatever, just scrolling through, doing these surveys quite easily. Did get a bit bored doing it on my laptop. Some of them were quite tedious. And as I said, there is a real variety in the points and type of surveys you get. Now, something I obviously haven't got into just yet is there seems to be a sort of reward scheme for if you get on the leaderboard. I think obviously you'd have to do quite a lot of surveys to get to that. And if you keep doing surveys every day for, I think it's about a week, you get put in some prize draw. So I don't know what the return's like on that, but we'll know in due course. So basically after 24 hours, I got over the 625 point bracket. So I did get a £5 payout. I got to say, fair play to them. Once you request the withdrawal, the funds came across to PayPal within about 5-10 minutes. So ultimately, for not having to invest anything up front, it is a quick way to get a quick payout through PayPal. Obviously, I could have spent a lot more time in it. I'd say I probably spent between an hour or 2 to get that £5 payout. So on the face of it, it doesn't sound like an amazing return, but as I say, it could be something you just sit there scrolling on your phone, going through in the evening, maybe when you're watching TV and maybe a bit bored or whatever, just to go through. And I think quite easily, there does seem to be new surveys coming up every day. And sometimes it's just finding that one that gives a high amount of points for the lower amount of time invested. So I think it's certainly worth trying. And I think, you know, I see on the leaderboards, there's guys in the thousands of pounds of this. Maybe they spend all day filling out surveys, but ultimately the challenge was to see what we could make in 24 hours. It was £5. I know it doesn't sound great, but I certainly probably could have got closer to 10 or 20 pounds. So if you just need that quick sort of little bit of extra money for whatever reason, this could certainly be the way to go for you through Prime Opinion. I'll leave a link in the description below. Check that out if you want to get signed up, earn yourself a few extra quid. Go through the link in the description below and get started. Yeah, basically the purpose of the video is just to see what you can make online without putting any investment in up front. Surveys, it's probably a slow way to make money, but as I say, if you just need that extra 5 or 10 quid very quickly, it's probably the best way to go. Let me know your opinion if you've used Prime Opinion before. If not, if you're going to check it out now, let me know in the comments below what your thoughts are. In the next video, I'm going to be going a little bit further into the making money online world and see what more can be done. Obviously, it's just a very quick challenge, as I said, just to see what you can make from absolutely nothing. I got a bit tired of seeing these kind of make money challenge videos online, but a lot of them are like, oh, you've got to sell your old PlayStation or your old bike or something, or match betting, which obviously is great, but you always need that upfront bit of money with match betting when you go to lay the bets off on the exchanges. So this was truly something that you need absolutely no money for. You don't have to spend anything to sign up to Prime Opinion, just need to invest an hour or two of time. You can easily get 10 or 20 quid. And obviously if you are willing to put 8-10 hours in, then you could probably get closer to 50 to 100 quid. Guys, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you're new. I look forward to seeing you in the next one.